Hello everyone, it's me, Plop. This is part 2 of my glitch showcase from Verho, and I have 3 more glitches to show you. So first I'm gonna show infinite jumps. So if you get the spell Glacial Spires, it's in Upper City, and you also have Ring of Sorceries, which is in the Maskless Village jumping trial, and you charge up, and you cast, and jump. You have time to recast the spell mid-air, and you gain height from this. So this is a way to infinite jump in Verho, which is pretty cool. Next we have the level up glitch. So if I do the menu glitch again, you can find that in part 1. Basically you press escape and F, so you get this. You can press travel, then go back. Now you can move in the menu. So now you press tab, go into your rings, you press level up. Now you can move in the rings menu slot, unequip, for example, the ring of resistance. Now you can remove points from resistance and you can put it in another skill. Now if I equip the ring again and confirm, now I remove the ring again, I can keep retracting points from resistance. So basically, if you have negative 100 resistance, it's not gonna be a difference if you have negative 1000. So if you go for this, you might as well just keep retracting points from resistance and putting it to the skill you want. This does remove some of your health. So I have actually gotten it so it goes into negative health if you go far enough. It also only works with the strength ring, the dexterity ring, intelligence ring, and resistance ring. It does not work with the force ring and the constitution ring. And I think it's because the game doesn't add points to constitution or force, it just adds health and mana. Lastly, we're gonna look at wrong warps. So as you can see, I've stored a menu here again, and I'm up by the temple. If I press warp, and I go to Rotten Valley, and I travel, and I press F immediately after, something really strange is gonna happen. It's gonna place me in the courtyard. So what is going on is it takes the coordinates from the mask altar in Rotten Valley, but I'm traveling to Temple. So it's teleporting me to the coordinates of the mask altar in Rotten Valley, but it's putting me in the map of Temple. So this is what you would call a wrong warp, typically. I'm showing this one because I know this one works every single time. There is a better wrong warp, but it doesn't always work, and I'm gonna show that off. So here I am in Reverse Castle. This is by far the best wrong warp in the game, or it would be if it worked all the time. So I am going to I'm gonna pick a Great Pass and pass, and I'll travel here, and let's see if it works. Okay, it did not work. So for some reason, you get an infinite loading screen sometimes. So what I did now was I saved my position in the loading screen, and I teleported here with the tools. So you can see this is the end of the level. So if you could somehow make the loading screen not happen after you wrong warp, you would just skip all of Fear, which would be super useful for the speedrun. But I only get it like 1 in 20 maybe, and I have no idea why. So if someone figures that out, that would be great. So that's it. Have fun with these, and thank you to Virasi for making the tools.